Beautiful, right? So yeah, we had this incredible idea of, well, first off, this area right here is a second living along with your dining area right here. So this area is humongous. So what we were thinking is that we're gonna knock this wall down so that this whole thing is a one big space. We're gonna delete this dining area and we're now gonna make the formal dining area here in this entrance area. And now this space, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna bring the kitchen this way. We're gonna add
this
more
will be part of the
cabinets,
kitchen.
and then we're gonna add a really big island here in this area right here. Beautiful, right? And this whole thing will be open space, open island.